Okay, here from the bird's eye view, you can see the storage yard, the eventual storage yard, and the road bed I had made going out that to the main line. Excuse me. And the overall look of what Bobcat Junction will be. There we go, wide angle a little bit better. I should have moved that darn umbrella, but maybe if I reach out a little more. That's where the maintenance train will be with the maintenance yard. Oh, oops. And the water feature, the eventual water feature. Temporary span will be those wrought iron, the angle iron I've got out there, and I'll coat those with Flex Seal until we get the water feature installed, and then I'll get a nice looking permanent bridge built. Hope y'all could hear me, and hope you could see what we're trying to do. Thanks for watching.